Hey guys, happy Saturday. So as you guys know, on Saturdays we unbox a ton of new PR packages. So basically it's all the new beauty launches for this past week. I get so excited for these every single week, and I also do mystery box giveaways for you guys now every week because I get so much product that I don't have time to go through everything. So for the emoji and comment this week is let's do the rain emoji because it's raining in San Diego right now. Like what the heck? I thought we were done with the rain. No, it decided to come back. So let's do the rain emoji, and then let's also do comment like what the weather is like where you are living right now. If it's like rainy, sunny, snowy, all that fun stuff, comment that down below and I will select a winner on Monday on Instagram stories. So make sure to follow me on Instagram at Madison89Miller so that way you can see who wins, if it may be you. But I always reply to the comment, and then also put your Instagram handle as well if you have an Instagram, just in case you guys don't respond back, I can find you over there and DM you. But yeah, a long intro there. Let's go ahead and unbox some makeup. All right, so first off, I got a package from IPO. It's Perfect On. Glam and Recover Facial on the Go. So IPO's 4-in-1 facial kits are designed for today's smart, busy, on-the-go women and men. By eliminating the hassle of packing several bulky skincare products for travel, you can pack lighter, save precious space in your bag, and ditch the stress of deciding which products to bring on a trip. Not to mention our pouches are TSA compliant. So these are what they are right here. This is so interesting. I haven't ever seen anything like this. So we have the Glam one, which is a 4-step facial for the big event. So it's prep, polish for a smooth makeup ready skin. So it comes with an exfoliating scrub, an advanced microfiber sheet mask, hydrating cream, and then a replenishing eye cream all in here. That is crazy. That is so cool. And you know how much like this is gonna save so much space in your bag? And then you have Recover, which is a 4-step facial for tired skin. That's what I have. Instantly revitalizes dull, dehydrated skin with healthy, vibrant radiance. So you get a cleansing foam, you get a microfiber sheet mask, you get a moisturizing cream, and another revitalizing eye cream in here too. So that is actually really, really cool. I want to go look more into this website. If you guys want to see it too, you can just check out the link down below. I'll find it and I'll place it down there, but very, very neat. All right, so next up are some new products from Too Faced. So it says right here that these are introducing Crystal Whips. They light up eyes for 12 hours of no fuss wear with a shimmering whipped eyeshadow created with a unique blend of pigments and suspended multicolor pearls. So it doesn't say how much these retail for, but these are what they are right here. Really interested to see. Oh, they sent me 2 of Pop the Bubbly. So I will put one of those in the giveaway for you guys. This one is gorgeous. Oh yeah. Oh, these are nice and lightweight. They're just like eye toppers. Ooh, and they're not sticky either. And they're very, very thin. So those are cool. So I guess you just, these are shimmering eyeshadow veils. So you just basically put them on top of eyeshadow or just on your bare lids and for a bit of sparkle in there. So that is really pretty. Let's swatch one more. I'm gonna go for this brown one. Tap that. I like these browns, like these like kind of cool tone browns. Oh, this is pretty. Yes, I could do that all over the lid. That one's really, really pretty. And they blend out really nicely too. Look at that. I cannot wait to try these out on the eyes because they are thin and lightweight already by swatching them, which is a good thing. Okay, so next up is a package from Pixie Beauty, and this is their Glow collection. So we have their Glow Tonic Cleansing Gel for cleansing right here. And then we have their award-winning toner. This is their Glow Tonic toner, their Glow Tonic serum, and their Phenomenal gel, and On the Glow with ginseng and glycolic acid right here. Very nice. So thank you so much to Pixie Beauty for sending over your Glow collection. All right, so we got the new ColorPop collection that they did with Shayla right here. Super excited. I've been seeing this everywhere. So it says proceed with caution, collection number 2. Ooh, let's see what's inside. Ooh, I like the way that they did this. So this is what the inside looks like right here. We have the liquid lip and liner duo. Oh, these are pretty. Alrighty, so this is what the liner looks like. It's like a mocha brown. And then this is what, this is Speed Up liquid lipstick. This is interesting because it's a brown with like a mauve liquid lip. Usually you always see them in the same color scheme, so that's really interesting there. The other liner duo right here, let's see, this one is more of a deeper brown, like an espresso brown. And can you tell that I want coffee? And then we have Slow Down. Seems like a really pretty color right here. Oh yeah, that one's really pretty. Really nice. And then we have the pressed powder palette right here. Ooh, look at the colors. Really fun colors, but also still very wearable at the same time. I like how she did like this pop of just like a very kind of deeper yellow. Ooh, and it swatches really nicely too. Drill, I wanna do a shimmer in here. So here's Drill. Oh yeah, check that out. Really, really nice. I'm like covered in swatches, but I can't wait to use this. This is really pretty. I actually really like Culture too here. I think that would be a really good transition shade. And then I love the fact that she has a matte cream shade in there because you know I do not like palettes when they do not have a matte cream shade. So now we have the powder blush. So there's 2 of them that she came out with. We have Whistle While You Work. Ooh, that's a deeper color right there. So I'm actually gonna save this for a giveaway because that will not work for me unless I use it as an eyeshadow. So I'd rather just give this away to someone else that can use it, but really pretty there. So I think this is an awesome little collection. I really like the theme of it. It's so different. It's nothing that you've seen done before, which is really nice. And I like the lip colors too. The lip colors are really pretty. And of course, ColorPop shadows are amazing. So really excited to test this out. Let me know if you guys want to see a whole like review on the collection. I can do that for you guys. So let me know that in the comments down below. All right, so next up is a package from Origins, and I was just like digging through it because they had all that crinkly paper on there, and I was like digging through it, and I was like, what the heck is this? And I pulled it out, and it's a mushroom, but it feels so weird. It's like foamy. So yeah, I was kind of thrown back with that. Because it's like a feeling thing. But they sent over their Mega Hydration, and this is this guy right here. So this is the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience Hydra Burst Gel Lotion. Really excited to try this out. The packaging I really like too. I like the fact that it has a pump like that. That is so nice. Really, really stoked to try that. They also sent over a mushroom mocha mix. Don't know if I'm gonna try this, you guys. I might give this away because I am not about mushrooms. I hate mushrooms. All right, so next up we have from Wet n Wild, their new Crystal Cavern limited edition collection. Ooh, this thing looks really cool. Let me know if you wanna see a review on this guy right here. The packaging is really pretty as well. So this is what it looks like inside. Very cool. So they have a highlighter, they have a few little quads like these. This would be really fun to do a review on. So yeah, definitely let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see this. And then we have, what are these guys? They always make their packaging so hard to get out of. What is this? Perfume roller, and they have like little crystals inside. That is so cool. And then we have lip glosses that go with the rollers, and a face mist, and then also brightening rocks. Ooh, here we go. These little brightening rocks right here, they kind of remind me of the Guerlain meteorite thingies. But yeah, so let me know if you guys want to see this. We have 4 different little eyeshadow palettes right here that have 3 eyeshadows in them. Then we have a highlight right here. Then we also have those rocks, and then these lip glosses. Here's another lip gloss just to show you guys real quick. This one's pretty. Really, really fun makeup. So those will be nice to test out. So let me know if you guys want to see that. So thankful that I have this blade that's very dull because I just totally sliced my finger down here. I need to be more careful with this stuff. Oh my gosh. I might have to go get a Band-Aid so it doesn't bleed everywhere. Anyways, I got a package from Drunk Elephant right here. Let me pull this guy out. It's bleeding now. I'll be back. Alrighty, I got Olaf here, saving the day. Anyways, we got a package from Drunk Elephant, and it says, get even, wrinkles and redness you messed with the wrong face. Ooh, yes. This powerful team works day and night to improve the look of fine lines, tone, texture for a more even, youthful looking complexion. After all, bare skin is the best revenge. It is. So they sent over this little kit right here, which I love their little kits. I think they're the best. It's a great way to test out the products. There's definitely a product in here that I've been dying to test out. So it slides open like this. I'm sure they even sell this on Sephora, so you guys can use the Sephora code to get this for a good price. So we have the TLC from Boost Glycolic Night Serum, which is really good. If you like Good Genes, this is like a different version of that. I feel like this one's a little bit better for sensitive skin. It's not as harsh as the lactic acid from Good Genes. And then we have the C Firma Day Serum, which I don't really use, so I'll probably give that away. This is the one that I have been dying to try out. I actually have a full size in there and I just saw it yesterday and I was like, oh, I need to grab this. But I think I'm gonna try the little one out first and see how this works for my skin before I open up a big one. So if it doesn't work out for me, I can give it away. But it's supposed to be really good. It's a retinol cream. I can finally use it because I'm not nursing, I'm not breastfeeding anymore. So very excited to test this guy out because he's like the most, I think the most recent product that came out. Then we have the Protini, which is a really good gel moisturizer here. Their products are very, very good for sensitive skin. We have a little mini of the tinted sunscreen, which is great for the purse or like if you're going to the beach. Thank you so much to Drunk Elephant for sending these over. This is such an awesome little kit. Okay, so next up we have a package from Laura Mercier. Let's see what they sent. I always love their handwritten notes. They are beautiful. This is Define Your Lips, our new longwear lip. Oh, this is their new lip liners. Oh my God, okay, so they came out with their new lipsticks and now they came out with new lip liners and they sent them over in this cute little bag right here, which is perfect for lip products. All right, super, super stoked for these guys right here. Oh my goodness. So it says that these, you can wear it alone or you can pair it, and there are 10 shades. I'm actually gonna swatch this one because this one's calling my name right now. This is called Rosewood. Ooh, Rosewood is really pretty. These are more like a pencil one, just as an FYI. They're not like the Kylie Cosmetics ones or the ColorPop ones where they're really like kind of more like a crayon. These are more pencil-like. Another shade that looks really pretty is Plum Berry. Oh yeah, look at Plum Berry. Oh, that's a perfect one too. So super excited for these. I also cannot wait to pair them with the lipsticks as well. So thank you so much, Laura Mercier, for sending these over. So I just got a package from Milk Makeup and legit just got like a whiff of weed smell. All right, so it says Kush on top right here. This is the Kush Vault right here. I think a product just fell out. Oh, I cannot handle that smell. So we have, ooh, it's a lip glaze. Ooh. Ah, oh, that's nice. Ooh, it's green. That's interesting. Oh, it's like a mentholy. It's like very like minty. I was like hoping it wasn't gonna smell like weed. Next up we have we have lip balms that they came out with. This is so cool. I love lip balms, so all different colors. This one's obviously gonna be clear. And then a berry one. The packaging is really nice. It's very sturdy. Then bubble. And then this color right here. This is also their new waterproof mascara. That one's gonna be awesome to try out. If you guys have lashes that don't wanna curl, or like you curl them and they instantly fall, definitely try waterproof mascara. It always helps. We also have the lash primer here, and then we have their Kush mascara, the regular version. And then up here, we have their fiber brows. Oh, that one's gonna be nice. This one is Haze. And then we have MJ. Oh wow, it looks like this one's even gonna be lighter. Ooh, they've got like different shades of blonde here. Hydra, which has gotta be clear. Yeah, this one's clear. So very excited to try these out to top them on the brows. Then we got some other products that I don't even know what these are. Oh, does it slide? I think it slides. Oh my gosh, what is this? Yep, they sent me weed. That's what I'm smelling. And then we got this thing, which, does this go with the vape? I think they sent me a vape. Is that what a vape is? Does it like open? They should send instructions with these things. Thank you so much to Milk Makeup for sending over the products. I cannot wait to try out the brow ones. The brow ones look awesome. Same thing with the lip balms. Those look very, very moisturizing. And thanks for the weed. I'm not really into weed. Honestly, I don't even know what this thing is. Is this a vape? I don't even know what vapes are. Like those didn't really come until like after my whole like college days and everything. I've been out of college for a really long time, but yeah, I don't know. I have no idea what that is. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys know, because I don't. But I feel old now. I feel really old and boring. But yeah, there we go. Thank you so much to Milk Makeup for these. I'm actually really excited to try this out. Even though I have lash extensions, I really want to try this out on my bottom lashes because I always have problems with it transferring down there. So really stoked on that. But yeah, thank you, Milk Makeup. All right, so next up, I got a package from Apple Park. I have another one behind me, but let's go ahead and go through the things that they sent over. It's a really cute baby website, you guys. And they have really great like organic toys and stuff. Like, look at this. It's a watermelon. Oh my gosh, she's going to love this. This is a stroller toy. So that one's awesome. And then next up, they sent over the organic Farm Buddies. This is little fox, little blankie right there. And then next up, we have the crinkle blankie right here, which she'll love. She loves hearing that sound. And then we have a strawberry stroller toy. Very cute. Oh my gosh, I never heard of this website, and they reached out and they're like, oh, we'll send you some products, like pick some stuff out. And I am so grateful. So thank you so much to Apple Park for sending these over. She's going to love these. All right, so they sent over a lot more toys and stuff. So this is so cute. So they sent over this little bunny rabbit right here. Little stroller toy, and it jingles. Oh, this cute little doll, little organic bunny rabbit right here. How cute that she can hug. She's at the stage right now where she loves hugging things. Like that's what she loves, sleeping with Wubbanum. And then, oh, this is so cute too. Look at the little fox rattle, which is a soft rattle, which is great for them because they have a tendency to hit themselves in the face. And it don't feel so good when the rattle's hard. And then they also sent over the bunny rabbit blankie set right here. This is so cute. I'm gonna have all these linked down below for you guys so you can check out the website. They sent over, oh my gosh, these are little bunny booties. Look how cute that is. Oh, that is adorable. Thank you so much, Apple Park. Oh, these are the cutest. And then another thing that they sent over is from Baby Brezza. This is the 6-month transition cup right here. So it's spill-proof, BPA free. Definitely need to start, like, I was reading that you start introducing them to just plain water, but you don't want to do more than, I think, 2 or 4 ounces a day. So I think I might like fill up maybe like 1 ounce and give it to her to have her start like learning how to use a sippy cup and everything, because they said that when they start like drinking from a regular cup, it actually really helps their speech because it strengthens those muscles. So I also have the other ones that are like the suction tops, and they just like press and then drink. So I'm gonna try that too, but very excited for that. So thank you so much for sending those over. And that is everything in this huge PR haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below what reviews you want to see first, because we got the Wet n Wild one, that Makeup by Shayla one. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see first. I'm gonna go check on my finger to see if it's still pretty bloody, but yeah, I think it's doing pretty okay. I don't know. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this PR haul and have a great rest of your weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video.